Good morning, sir. Welcome to Martinez Resort and Spa.
Ay, siya
Sir,
ay
do you have any
China.
reservation?
Ano mo?
You're alone, sir? Okay, sir, this way. Sir, do you want some aperitif before taking your order? So, what do you want, sir?
Juice.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Sir, here's your aperitif. Sir, may I present to you our menu? Sir, can I take your order?
Well, I want a piece of bread with butter, sausage, ham, and a cup of hot.
Sir, you have bread and butter, sausage, ham, and a cup of coffees. Anything else, sir?
No, that's all.
Okay, sir, thank you. Sir, here's your order. Cup of coffee, a bread, a ham, and a sausage. Sir, can I clean the table? Sir, may I present you?
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
here's my payment.
Oh, thank you, sir. Sir, thank you for coming.
You're welcome.